The music started with a cheerful beat as Bluey hopped into the center of the living room, her paws tapping the floor in happy rhythm. Her tail swished side to side as she twirled dramatically, pretending to be a superstar dancer on a glowing stage. Bingo clapped excitedly, "Go Bluey, go Bluey," her giggles filling the air with playful energy. Mom peeked in from the kitchen, smiling at the sight. "Mind if I join?" she asked, spinning gracefully into the room. Bluey gasped, "Yes, Mom, let's dance together," and soon the two twirled in perfect harmony, their laughter rising with the music like bright sparkling lights. 5 seconds later Dad barged in, wiggling his belly and stomping his paws in the silliest way. Bingo collapsed with laughter, rolling on the rug. "Dad, you dance like a chicken," Bluey shouted, still spinning with glee. Dad replied proudly, "It's called the chicken shuffle," flapping his arms wildly until everyone roared with laughter. The living room became a full stage. Bluey leapt like a ballerina, Mom twirled with grace, Bingo hopped up and down, while Dad stomped like a clumsy giant. "Let's try a group dance," Bluey declared, raising her paw like a leader. She counted 1, 2, 3, and the family jumped, spun, and clapped all at once, their silly moves turning into the funniest routine ever created. 10 seconds later Bingo shouted, "Freeze dance," and everyone froze mid-pose when the music stopped. Dad froze bent over, his tongue out, which made Bluey burst into uncontrollable giggles. The music returned, and they all exploded into wild moves again, faster and louder, the floor almost shaking with joyful chaos. Soon the pups added their own twist, pretending they were famous dancers on TV. Bluey sang into a spoon like a microphone, Bingo waved her arms like a pop star, while Mom and Dad pretended to be the cheering crowd. The room filled with claps, stomps, and shouts of pure amazement. Finally, as the music slowed, they all spun into a giant family hug, panting but still laughing. Bluey whispered softly, "Dancing with family makes every beat feel magical." Bingo nodded, snuggling close, "Best dance party ever." Dad puffed, even with the chicken shuffle, and everyone roared with one last wave of laughter. Bluey turned to the camera with a wide grin, her tail wagging fast. If our dance made you smile, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more groovy adventure.